Hello guys, so today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you post an article on LinkedIn. So first thing, log on to your LinkedIn account. So I'm logged into mine. So what you can do, it's pretty much straightforward. So once you're logged in, here on your homepage you will see you see a link here called write article. So just click on it. So once you click on it here, it's where we create the article. So at the headline under you can put the title of your article. All right, and here, oops, just a second. All right, okay, all right. So put your headlines here. So your title, and then your cover image. So if you want to put any image related to this article, you can click on here, and then yep, you can choose the picture from where you have saved. So you can upload that, and then here you can click on that, click on the plus icon, so it's where you create it. So you can type here whatever you need, whatever your article is, just you can just type it here, or else what you can do is, or if it's a better option for you, so you can create the article first and then just copy and paste it here. That's another option if that works better for you. So once that's all done, then all you have to do is just hit the publish button here. So hit on publish, then boom, your article should be published and it should be visible to everyone. And I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you in a new tutorial soon.